case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The city of Chicago Heights was standing trial in a fascinating case that revolved around a colorful 4th of July celebration and a subsequent negligence lawsuit. Thousands had gathered for an evening of spectacle only for it to turn calamitous. The discord began when Manuel Anthony Cadena, Larissa Cadena, Andres Cadena, Marcela Garcia, Dale Baikauskas, and Christopher Baikauskas brought a lawsuit against the city over injuries sustained during the fireworks display. Supplied by the Chicago Fireworks Manufacturing Company, the brilliant pyrotechnics drew between 12,000 to 15,000 people to the massive citywide celebration. But the ill-fated incident could not be foreseen by attendees or city officials. In the midst of the throng, city's administrator, Enrico Doggett, assumed charge of the event, coordinating and managing the sea of excitement, while also ensuring the presence of police and fire department personnel for security and crises. Responding to the needs of the crowd and the city, modifications were even made to barricades at the request of the fire chief. However, the case took an unexpected turn when the lower court ruled in favor of the city, granting them a summary judgment. The plaintiffs, dissatisfied with the decision, appealed it. The case was then elevated to the Illinois Appellate Court. In a crucial verdict, the Appellate Court affirmed the lower court's decision, ruling that the city of Chicago Heights indeed possessed immunity, as granted by the Tort Immunity Act. The plaintiffs' claims of negligence and the city's alleged ultra-hazardous activities were found to lack legal standing. This case served as a powerful exemplar that despite the unpredictable nature of public events, cities can still be shielded from certain liabilities, particularly in situations where they have made adequate provisions for protection and safety.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.